Hi, I'm Keith with Solutions Pest and Lawn. In this video, we'll talk about this product. We're going to cover what it is, what it's used for, how to get started, where and when to apply, drawbacks, and the different considerations before choosing this product. Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to teach you how to treat your pest problems. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or visit one of our stores and we can help you out.
The Solutions Mouse Bait Station is a compact, tamper-proof bait station for discreet and effective mouse control. This product is made from a sturdy plastic and is a great addition to any rodent bait. Before using the bait station, be sure to wear gloves. Wearing gloves anytime you handle, clean, or fill the station is important, not only for safety and sanitation, but also because the rodents will smell human scent on or in the station and will avoid it. Using the mouse bait station is easy and safe. The station features a tamper-proof lid that requires a key to open. The key provided with every station ensures children and pets cannot open it and get to the bait inside. To open your Solutions Mouse Bait Station, take the key and fit the prongs into the holes on its lid. Lift the key away from the center of the station and push the key forward like you're pushing the tab of a soda can. Then lift the lid away from the base. The station can fit any 1 ounce or smaller rodenticide bait block, but we recommend Eratication Rodent Bait. Eratication is a powerful rodenticide containing difascinone, an effective and slow-acting rodent bait that prevents bait shyness. After opening your bait station, fit a block of Eratication Rodent Bait into the back chamber, allowing mice a safe space to eat without blocking the station's entrances. Take note of where you see mouse activity inside your home, typically in your kitchen, around attics, or even in hallways. Place the bait stations in the corners of rooms or along walls and under plumbing. Mice never travel in open areas, only along walls or objects, so it's important to place stations out of open areas. Place the stations at 8 to 10 foot intervals with the openings against the walls so mice can easily enter as they run along. If you want more discreet placement, the Solutions Bait Station is small enough to fit under tables, sofas, or other furniture, and its triangular shape lets you fit it into most corners. The Solutions Mouse Bait Station enhances any rodent bait block treatment. Since mice prefer dark enclosed spaces, they'll feel more comfortable approaching and feeding on the bait in the bait station. Check the stations every 7 to 10 days and refill as necessary. You should notice a reduction in mouse activity after 1 week, but maintain a fresh supply of bait for at least 15 days until you have total control. The Solutions Mouse Bait Stations can also be easily cleaned and stored for future use. Do not clean the station while you're actively trapping for rodents, as the rodent will smell their own scent on the bait station and feel more comfortable around them. The Solutions Mouse Bait Station is recommended for indoor use only. You can use these outdoors, but the station's lightweight and small design can make it easily moved or misplaced. The bait is also not able to be elevated within the station, so stations need to be elevated off the ground at least a few inches so in cases of rain, the bait stays dry. The Solutions Mouse Bait Station is a great way to control your mice infestation, but it can't get the job done alone. You will need to purchase the bait blocks along with the bait station to get full use out of this product. If you're looking for singular items to kill mice quickly, check out the Solutions Easy Set Mouse Traps. These sturdy traps are sanitary and easy to set. Its unique pole bar design allows you to dispose of the dead mouse without having to touch it. They can also be easily cleaned and used again for future use. Most active infestations cannot be controlled through the use of one product. For each type of rodent, we've come up with treatment methods that we guarantee 100% to work. Click the icon on the top right of the screen to visit our website and see more rodent control guides.
Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to teach you how to treat your pest problems. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or visit one of our stores and we can help you out.